Hello, welcome back to ASCEH L1 program. This is cryptography tutorial, and in this module I am going to explain you what is crypto system. In each encryption system necessarily consists of three parts. The first one is key, then the key management system, and then the algorithm. So the first thing is, what exactly is key? In cryptography, a key is a piece of information that determines the functional output of a cryptographic algorithm. For encryption algorithm, a key specifies the transformation of plain text into ciphertext and vice versa for decryption algorithm. Keys also specify transformation in other cryptographic algorithms such as digital signatures, schemes, and message authentication code. In short, I'm not ready type of guy who can just read it out. So let's see what is this key. You remember last class there was a system and there was another system. A guy was sending a message. That message was being encrypted by using a key, and then like this was plain text, and then after being decrypted, after being passed through key, the message was changed into ciphertext, and again at the end of computer B end, if computer is sending a message to computer B, at the computer B end the same key was used. After using the same key, the message was being decrypted and computer B was able to receive the message. So here key is playing a lead role. With the help of key, only one is able to change the plain text into ciphertext. One is able to encrypt the message from plain to cipher. Remember, from plain to cipher is called encryption. From cipher to plain is called decryption. So key is playing a lead role. With the help of key, only one is able to encrypt as well as decrypt the message. Without key, if your key is missing, then you won't be able to decrypt the message. If third party is having your key access, then he will be able to decrypt your message. So keys are very much important. After key, the next one is called key management system. As I have told you, you have to manage your key. Key management is the management of cryptographic keys in a crypto system. This includes dealing with the generation, exchange, storage, use, crypto shredding instruction, and replacement of keys. It includes cryptographic protocol design, key servers, its protocol design, key servers, user procedure, and other relevant protocols. In short, like in companies, what they are doing, there is some key escrow, and in key escrow they are storing all the keys. So in key management system, you have to take care of all the current keys. You have to destroy the old keys. Like whenever you guys are shredding your data, make sure you are destroying completely your old keys. Like when you are changing your password, make sure that your old password isn't being known to someone else, because why? They can guess it out. They can think like it's a parts of information gathering. They can get to know which type of information, which type of keys, which types of passwords are being used by their target or you. Rather than that, they can control like cryptographic design, protocol design, user procedures, and other relevant protocols. So key management system used to manage your key in such a way that it is not being exposed to all the people available. It's only like they will manage it such a way, they will manage the key in such a way that only sender and receiver is able to get the key. Rather than him, no one is able to get the key. After key management system, the next one is called algorithm. Yeah, it's an algorithm. Usually an algorithm is a series of steps used to complete a task. Here it is the process by which the plain text information is transferred to the encoded or encrypted information. It's also known as cipher. The two type of ciphers that are formed over the year are block ciphers and stream cipher. In short, algorithm is a process by which a plain text is being converted into cipher text. It's the way via which you are encrypting your plain text into ciphertext. It's the way via which you are encrypting your actual message into code word. So usually there are two types of ciphers. The first one is called block cipher and another one is called stream cipher. So what is block cipher? You know, in transposition, when we were using transposition, something is wrong with my mouse. First, let's see the definition. A block cipher accepts a predefined quantity or a space to be encrypted. If the message is too long to fit in a single block, the message will be broken into as many blocks as necessary. Once the message is broken into blocks, each block is then encrypted. This information takes place under the action of a user provided secret key. Example, transportation encryption method. You remember last time what we were doing? We created a box and in box we were leaving our message, I am good. Now what was happening at the place of, like, if my message is I am good, so here I'm doing what? In the block cipher you are allowed to decrypt or encrypt a whole block rather than each word. My new message will be I, then there is a space, there is IG, then there is space, then O, then a space, then AOMD. This is my decrypted, like this is my cipher text of this plain text. So that's the beauty of block cipher. In block cipher you are allowed to encrypt or decrypt the whole block at a time. The next one is stream cipher. In stream cipher you are allowed to encrypt each and every word one by one. Like a stream cipher does not rely on predefined data spaces or blocks of data. A stream cipher modifies each character at a time without concern for the quantity of data being transmitted. This type of cipher is generally considered faster but less secure than block cipher. An example of stream cipher is address. You know, in address we were arranging the data in reverse direction. Even in Caesar cipher we were encrypting each and every word individually. That is called stream cipher. But yeah, they are not very much secure. Like if in Caesar cipher one is able to get the key, so with the help of key he is able to decrypt each and every word. But in case of block cipher it's not like that. Like you won't be able to get the complete block key at the same time. So that's the beauty of using a block cipher. That's choices or yours, which type of cipher you wanna opt for. In next module I'm going to explain you what are the different types of encryption. So thank you for listening.